Hey guys, welcome back to Sgcarmart Reviews. Julian here, how's it going? So we are at the preview of the all-new Eurokars Centre Singapore, where it houses Rolls-Royce Motorcars all-new showroom as well as the Eurokars BMW Experience Centre. So let's check it out, shall we? First and foremost, obviously, we have to visit Rolls-Royce Motorcars Singapore showroom. This is spanking new and is right down to the detail. Everything that you see here, the color, the tiles, the wall, everything is being supplied by the right supplier from Rolls-Royce Motorcars itself. So everything that you see here, the CI, everything is correct. If you go to another showroom in another country, you're gonna have that same color tone, you're gonna have the same design right down to the T, and it's exactly like this here in Singapore at 11 Kung Chong Road. Right behind me here is actually the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge. This car here is one of 62. Let's check it out. So the Cullinan Black Badge is 100% bespoke. I mean, from the seats right down to the color, the stars, everything is bespoke, and that makes Rolls-Royce such a special brand, you know, something that's very, very exclusive. But more than just about the cars, we have to check out the room that tells you a little bit more about the brand. When you step into this room, it's not just about being exquisite. The first thing that really comes to your mind is the colors. It's all the different colors, from all these leather for the customers to see, right down to all these color tones that you see right here. It kind of tells you what or how capable Rolls-Royce really is into the bespoke business. So I spoke to one of the executives and she actually said that you could actually ask for any colors that you want for your Rolls-Royce. It can even be named after you. So I could have a Rolls-Royce and I want it in blue. I could just call it Julian Blue. And it'll be a special blue just for me. And no one else in the world will be able to replicate my color. So it's really, really cool. But what I really have to show you is this. So you guys already know about the stars in the ceiling, right? But what you don't know is what goes on behind that. And behind it is this. Check it out. Look at that, man. Intriguing, no? It is so intriguing. I mean, look at all the wires, and these are hand planted in one by one to achieve the stars that you see on the ceiling of every single Rolls-Royce. So again, according to the executive, she actually said that if you want a constellation to fall on your birthday at the exact same time, it can be done right here. Power of bespoke by Rolls-Royce. So right now we're going to level 2, where we will show you guys the Eurokars BMW Experience Centre. So apparently, yes, we are going up. So apparently there's a very nice distinction between the GKL section as well as BMW M. So I'm really, really excited to show you guys. I'm really, really excited to see it myself. So let's go. It's got like the grills. The history of BMW's grille. How cool is that? From 2002 right through. Gone are the days of the traditional showroom. This is Singapore's first BMW Retail NI, which means you can buy clothes if you want to, you can sit down and have a conversation with your friends if you want to, or you could just simply come on up to the second level and have dim sum or coffee if that's your thing. And if so, you're very interested in buying any one of these cars, it's all readily available. From the M3 CS right through to the 7 Series or even the M2, everything is available. And it's so well integrated, it almost feels like you're just visiting someone's home, not a showroom. So the last part about Eurokars BMW Experience Centre is this place. This is the delivery bay. It feels more like a hotel lobby to me because it's very comfortable, very premium, luxurious, and of course you can share your happy moments with your family in comfort while waiting to collect your car. But more importantly, right now I'm going to head to the authorized service centers upstairs for BMW, Rolls-Royce, Pagani, as well as McLaren. Unfortunately, no footages are going to be allowed there. But don't worry, we're going to show you after that a pre-owned section of Eurokars Centre. We will show you some lovely, exciting pre-owned cars. But I tell you what's really exciting. The last part, we're going to show you Mr Karsono Kwee's office. So of course now we are at the Preowned Centre. This is a 2-level centre and it's all new, right? So you can have all the different cars here. As you can see, there's BMW, there's Mazda, there's Porsche, and the second level is where things get interesting. All the sports cars are housed upstairs. And there is actually an elevator right here that allows the cars to move up and down whenever customers want to test drive. And it's not just this. Everything feels very, very grand, very luxurious. It's just very befitting of the Eurokars Group. Obviously, the highlight here has to be Mr. Karsono Kwee's office, which I am in here right now. But the thing that really catches my eye amongst all the car displays that he has is this. This is what I really wanted. I actually asked him if I could buy it off him. He said no, obviously. It was actually a gift to him. Someone paid almost 4,000 euros for this. A gift. No one gives me something that nice. But of course, this is where the big boss works. And there is that infinity sign up there, which has got something to do, I believe, with feng shui. That's a nice place. If I had an office like this, I'm pretty sure I will work very well as well. Fun fact, in Mr. Kwee's office, you'll see multiple red figurines here, and it's only because Mr. Kwee is born in the year of the red. But more intriguingly and interestingly is this. This is actually Guo, which is his Chinese surname. Second fun fact, Mr. Kwee's lucky color is gold. So all the video, this entire video, you actually notice a lot of gold pillars and gold stuff, right? But what you really need to know is that his iMac is also in gold. So there you have it. That is Mr. Karsono Kwee's office, and of course this entire tour of Eurokars Centre. This has been such an honor, really. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I've enjoyed my tour here as well. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment in the comment box below. Let us know what you think about Mr. Kwee's office as well as this all-new spanking building. You can also follow us on TikTok. Our handle is at Sgcarmart. In the meantime, stay safe, be well. Ciao. 3, 2, 1. Hey, okay, sorry, how are you going to put down, right? This, by the way, resembles the Rolls-Royce umbrella, by the way, but it's really, really cool. I dare not even touch it, but yes. Ooh. Just don't spoil it, but yes!